Today in this video, we are going to be showing you guys Pinterest-inspired room decor. So as we all are self-isolated and we can't go outside, so this is a really great time to decorate your room. So we decided to make the video, and yes, so let's get started with the video without any further ado. Let's go. First DIY, you are going to be needing some tin containers. We found these ones in our house and decided to recycle them with some spray paint. So we're gonna spray paint these containers however we want them to be, so yeah. And after we have the clean spray painted containers, we are going to be taking some tape, and you can see what we are actually doing. We are just taking this tape and making a triangle in the center so we can spray paint this triangle copper. So after we have spray painted the triangle in copper, we are just going to be removing the tape, and yeah, we are pretty much done with the DIY. So for this DIY, you're going to be needing 8 wooden skewers or wooden doubles, whatever you want to call them. So we are cutting 4 of them shorter so that 4 of them are longer and 4 of them are shorter because we are making the triangle. First of all, we are taking the 4 shorter ones to make the base square, so we are gluing them up together. This step is really easy, you just have to make a square. As you guys can see, our square is ready. Now we are gluing the longer ones onto the side of the square. We are using hot glue gun for this purpose, and after gluing it up, you need to hold it for like 15 seconds to make sure that it is like glued up properly. So after you're done attaching the skewers onto the sides, you have to glue the top together in order to fix it up. We are almost done with our DIY. We have to spray paint it, and you guys can see like the spray paint is not done properly because our spray paint was dead. It was like dying because it was finished, and we can't go outside to buy a new one, so like I have to work with what we have. Next DIY, you're going to be needing some tin cans, and we have the Coca-Cola ones, not sponsored at all. So now we're gonna take the tin cans and spray paint them. Oh my god, magic. And we have our spray painted tin cans, and now we're just gonna squish them off and it will look like this. can probably see, they look so cool. And yeah, you're done with the DIY. That was so quick. This DIY, you're going to be needing 3 wooden skewers and 3 pieces of rope. So first of all, I am taking 2 wooden dowels and attaching the upper part of them like together in a cross sign, so you can see like they make a cross kind of thing. So now I am attaching the last wooden dowel onto the end side of the 2 dowels. Like if you get that, like that is really easy. This part is actually really tricky. I'm taking the rope and wrapping it around the cross. You can see like it is really difficult to explain. And then I am trying to put it in a knot at the back side. So just flip it over and tie a knot at the back. So now I'm going to be cutting the excess off, and it is better if you glue the excess together. So you have to do this step with pretty much every single corner of the triangle, so yes. Now you have to take the fake plant and just attach it with the triangle however you want it to be. So you are now pretty much done after you have glued the plant together with the triangle. So that is the end result. For today's video, hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did so, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel, because we are producing some amazing content for you guys. And yes, our previous video is linked in the description box, so go check it out. And if you like this video, then comment down below which DIY was your favorite. So, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Peace out.